So how to download and play Call of Duty on your PC or laptop for free? First of all, go to your browser and search Call of Duty. Then you can see the Call of Duty official website. You have to enter this website. Then you can see this kind of interface. So you have to go COD Origin, this one. And if you want to play it mobile, you can also go for mobile. So I want to, then you can see 4 different options: PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net, Steam. So if you don't have PlayStation, then these 3 for PC or laptop. So I already have Battle.net, and if you want to go for Xbox, you can go for Steam. I am go for Battle.net. Press on this option. Then it's automatically download. Then press on save and press on this icon, and it's now installing. Once done, then you can see this kind of pop-up. So you have to create a new account, create a free Battle.net account. It's very simple and easy. You can also log in with your Gmail, Facebook, Xbox, Steam or PlayStation, any account. So when you create account, then you have to select your country, date of birth and continue, and you have to enter your email, and that's it. So I already have an account, so I am just log into my account, then press on login. And then you can see this kind of pop-up. Press on continue and press on install, and it's a 93.40 GB. So make sure you have enough space on your laptop or PC. Press on start, then you see it's installing. So once done, then you can play your game from your Battle.net in your PC or laptop. That's it. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.